Today, join me for a two-step improvisation that's not only easy, but also a super relaxing riff to enjoy. And later on, let's go behind the scenes with my family and we'll share some exciting news. Hi there, I'm Kylie and I love sharing easy tips and tricks to inspire you to learn the love of music. Please subscribe if you enjoy the content, and a thumbs up is always the best compliment. Well, let's begin with the right hand riff. We have a 5-note pattern that leaps down some fourths and ends on the minor third of the scale. So it's nice and gloomy in sound. We'll put that over the top of a very simple left hand bass. We start on our pinky, leap to our second finger, back to fourth, leap to our thumb, finish on our flat third. We don't often leap around in fourth intervals, so I thought I'd just play with that today to make it a bit interesting. By creating these leaps, I thought it just sounds a little bit different to normal and kind of makes it feel that little bit more relaxed and unexpected sort of sounds. So let's step through those notes. Now add simple fifths in the left hand. We're just starting on a C pattern, and then we'll go to the minor 6, then down to the 4th, and then we'll end on the 5th. Ready, set, go. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now we might allow the right hand riff to sound through twice before we change our left hand chords. So let's have a look at that. Ready, set, go. Now add some left hand to fill it out over the 5th and then to the octave. And let's have a bit of an explore with that. Ready, set, go. Ready, set, go. Well, we're very excited to share our news with you today, so let's check it out. We've just bought some land, so come and check it out with me. So I've got on my joggers and jeans in case we see any friendly snakes. Nat saw a couple down here the other day doing their little tangling dance. Anyway, we'll look out and make sure that we don't step on anything.